Hello, Professor. This is Arjun Yadav Mattapalli as part of our assignment 5, implementing the website by using implementation of phase 1 and phase 2. For implementation of a simple website, I have chosen a car selling website to implement. Here you can see I have used the Eclipse IDE to implement the phase 1 and phase 2. This is the code section. These are the images which I have used. These I got from Google, and the Java files are here, and the main JSP files are in this folder. I've used IDE as Eclipse and JavaScript, Bootstrap, and Java, servlets, CSS, and HTML code to implement the phase 1. Apache Tomcat as a server. When I run this code on the server, and for implementation, I would like to use the Chrome browser to demonstrate. First, I will go through the working of the project phase 1 and phase 2, and after that, test cases. When I try to I have used the MySQL workbench, like MySQL as my database. Initially, the database is empty, we can see. And when I try to create a user, it is asking for name and something, and providing the details. Sample details. Email ID and username. I'm choosing the password. You can see it here. Yeah, this is my password. When I click the register, yeah, you can see the message. The user account is created. You can check that here in the database. Yeah, here we can see the user account is created successfully. And when I try to, yeah, went back and I went back, and when I try to log in, the username is this, and you can see the password here. Yeah, I successfully logged into by using these credentials. I successfully logged into the web page. Here we can see this is the e-car store to buy the vehicles. Like, this is the main page. When we go to the given the sample details, how the website look like, and I have used these features, and we can see the models and the price is listed here, and the services which provides, and the basic trending models. And if user wants to subscribe for latest updates, he can give his email ID and all, the contact details, and the address of this store is given by using the map feature. And if any inquiry, user can mail to this service, and the branches and the contact information. So all the and the main feature is, when I click this button, and wherever the position I am in the web page, if I click, it will go to home. When I click the models, it will go to the new models, and services, it will go to the services. Trending, it goes to the trending model, and the contact information. And these two are the pop-ups for the locations and the contact information. This is the website implemented. For coming to the text test, and one more feature, when user wants to log out, he can log out. And coming to the test cases and all, we'll go back. Coming to this, I will discuss the test cases. In this for login page, here if I have only one username and password. Here we can see the count logged. I have used these two for when the user provides invalid details, with the valid username, the account will be logged after 3 unsuccessful attempts that I will demonstrate. Username is this, and we can see the password. The buttons are working, and these 4 are the requirements. When the requirement is short, the text will be in red, and I'm giving some random incorrect password. Yeah, incorrect password. If I click login, yeah, incorrect credentials, account will be locked after 3. I got the error message. When I go to the database, here the count is 0 and lock position is 0. When I yeah, the count incremented because I have given the valid user ID and incorrect password. Again, I will give the valid username and incorrect password. Yeah. Again, I got same message. And we can see here, yeah, the count is 2. And when I try this for the 3rd time, yeah, the user account is locked. Please reach admin to unlock. Yeah, this is what happens here. The count is 3 and the lock position is 1. That means the account is locked. When I try to enter the valid credentials this time after the account is getting locked, the user should not get the access to the account. Yeah, yeah, this is the correct password. Even it is meeting all the requirements, it won't. It is showing that user account is locked. Please reach admin to unlock. When I give when I give the details, which I will refresh the page. Yeah. Now I will try to uh, give the invalid user details and try to log in with the valid password which we have already in the database. This I am using the password, and the username I am using randomly. That means it should not log in. Look, incorrect credentials. I'm getting the message incorrect credentials because we don't have the username as specified in the database. So all the buttons and features are working, so that we can see here. And if you want to go to the home page, we can go like this, and we have seen the create new account. This is working. For here you can see the show button, and whenever the password it is made, the required entered password is meeting the requirements, the text is going to be white. When it is not meeting, look, yeah, when it is not meeting, it will be in red. Yeah. And coming to the, yeah, now I will remove the account. I will make the reset. I'm doing the reset. Yeah, I did the reset. Refresh. Yeah, now the account count is 0, lock position is 0, and when I try to log in, the correct user details, I can log in into the account. So here in this web page, all the buttons are working fine. And when I go to, if I am here in this section, new model section, if I want to go to the service section, I can use the scroll down button, or else the service button. I can go here, and all the information, like all the buttons are working fine. They're popping up, and we can see some images, like all the buttons are working. If you want to go to trending, and we can see here contact details, these are the contact details, and the map, we can zoom out and zoom in. This is a responsive map. And in the inquiry section, the details which we provided, like it is taking all the buttons are taking working fine, and we can see here. And if we in the subscribe latest updates, if I give this, it shows the error because it is not a valid format. I give something like this, it will take. Now, yeah, it's taking. That means the request is submitted successfully. Yeah, that's it. Thank you, Professor. Thank you for your time.